Wabire gwenge ma Nairobi lakteche matiyo Botend County ma Nairobi ochwalo ng'ur margi nyim County Assembly ma Nairobi mondo mi MCS okonygi sundo tend county no mondo omigi okumba mar thieth. Kane giloso oko mar apisi mar governor bang' bago wuoth mar ng'anyo mamuol gikoni kuom dweche koro nyaka ne governor Sakaja kautelo kowuok kuom NMS pok gibedo ka giyudo thieth ka gitiyo kod okumba mar thieth e kinde ma tend county to ng'ado shillings 1,700 gibogo dhi e ng'anyo mar tipo poni tend county no okoloso negi okumba mar thieth.
We don't have a comprehensive insurance cover. Yes. Can you imagine?
Shame.
We've actually tried to coordinate with the county. We've tried to use diplomacy, but diplomacy has not worked. We've had no cover from 4th of February. And even before that, we did not have a cover. We actually given a brief cover for like 2 weeks, and then the NHIF suspended the cover. So now, as we speak, doctors are not in hospital. We are here to picket for our rights. Yes. As we speak, we had a meeting with our governor, Sakaja. He's a very honorable man. He says he can't do anything. His hands are tied because he has no deed of novation. Why is that deed?
Yes.
Why is that deed? We go for it. Nairobi doctors, we want to present a petition to the county assembly about this NHIF. We are going to present it to the county clerk so that they help us to fight this war. Because it seems kuna mtu analalia kazi pahali. So if somebody is not working, if it's NHIF not working, let people be fired. No one owns an office. Shame! 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 Shame!